What is the longest bone in the human body? The femur, thigh bone. How many ribs does a typical human have? 24 ribs, 12 pairs. Which organ in your body pumps blood? The heart. Which body part helps you balance when you walk? The inner ear. What vitamin do we get from sunlight? Vitamin D. Which nutrient gives us energy to play and run? Carbohydrates. What is the main nutrient in milk that makes our bones strong? Calcium? What is the sum of 15 and 28? 43. A shape with 8 sides is called what? An octagon. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. How many teeth does an adult human normally have? 32 teeth. How many oceans are there on Earth? 5 oceans. Monitor. Use. Shows pictures, videos, and what you are doing on the computer. Like a TV screen for the computer. Keyboard. Use. Used to type letters, numbers, and give commands. Like a talking tool for your computer. Mouse. Use. Helps to point, click, and move things on the screen. It's like your hand on the computer. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Use. The brain of the computer. It does all the thinking and work. It tells the computer what to do. Speakers. Use. Play sound and music from the computer. They help the computer speak or sing. Printer. Use. Prints your work or pictures on paper. It brings your screen to life on paper. Webcam. Use. Takes photos or videos and lets you video call. Like the computer's eyes. Headphones. Use. Help you listen to sound privately. You can hear without disturbing others. Microphone. Use. Used to talk or record your voice. Lets the computer hear you. UPS. Uninterruptible power supply. Use. Keeps the computer on when power goes off. It's like a safety helper for your computer. Scanner. Use. Copies pictures or papers into the computer. Like taking a photo and putting it inside the computer. Touchpad on a laptop. Use. Works like a mouse to move the pointer using your finger. Slide your finger to control the screen. Hard drive. Use. Stores all your files, games, and photos. It's the computer's memory box. CD, DVD drive. Use. Plays CDs or DVDs with music, movies, or software. It lets you watch or listen to discuss. Router. Use. Connects your computer to the internet. It's the bridge to the online world. States and capital.
Northern and Central India. Capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Capital of Ladakh is Leh. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Capital of Bihar is Patna. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Western India. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Capital of Goa is Panji. Eastern and Northeastern India. Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Capital of Nagaland is Kohim. Capital of Manipur is Imphal. Capital of Mizoram is Izawal. Capital of Tripura is Agartala. Capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Southern India. Capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Capital of Kerala is Trivandrum.
Earthquake. Feeling, shaking ground, rattling sound, things, moving. Precaution. Hide under furniture, protect your head, move to open space after it's safe. Fire. It feels like hot, smoky, scary, hard to breathe. Precaution. Stay low, cover mouth, never hide. Follow your elders to exit. Flood. It feels like wet, slow-moving water, rising fear. Precaution. Move to higher ground. Avoid dirty water. Wear life jackets. Storm or cyclone. It feels like loud wind, flashing light, fear of flying things. Precaution. Stay indoors, away from windows. Keep emergency lights and water. Tsunami. It feels like sudden water pull, loud wave crash, surprise, and fear. Precaution. Run to higher ground. Never stay near the beach if water pulls back suddenly. Volcano. It feels like hot air, deep rumble, glowing lava. Precaution. Stay far from volcanoes. Listen to warnings. Wear masks for ash, storm or blizzard. It feels like cold, strong wind, low visibility. Precaution. Stay indoors. Wear warm clothes. Keep extra food and batteries. Forest fire. It feels like smoky air, hot wind, rushing animals. Precaution. Evacuate early. Don't light fires in dry areas. Follow forest rules. Tornado. It feels like loud spinning wind, fast movement. Precaution. Go to a safe shelter. Stay away from windows. Crouch low. Pandemic or virus spread. It feels like coughs, sneezes, staying indoors. Precaution. Wash hands. Wear masks. Avoid crowds.